Hello, my name is Justin with Aristatek, and I want to show you how to import a previous year's data into the 2019 Tier2Submit program. First, click on Import at the top right corner of the window. The program allows two different methods of selecting the previous data files. I'm going to demonstrate the Browse to File method. There is also a drag and drop method available for importing Tier 2 information. When you select Browse to File, it will let you search your PC to choose your data file. You can import T2S, zip, and XML file formats. Find your data file and select Open. The program will start to import your data and display the number of facilities, contacts, and number of chemicals in the report. When you click OK, you will see the list of facilities with their status. When you import data from a previous year, you will see red or yellow symbols for each facility indicating incomplete or missing information. As you review and edit information, the symbol should change to a green check mark representing it as ready to export. Once we've imported the data, we want to verify that for each facility we have the correct address, chemical, and contact information for this year's submission. Select a facility on the list. 3 actions are required for preparing your report. First, you need to verify the location of your facility. Move your map on the right-hand side and zoom into your facility location. Hold the left Shift key and left-click with the mouse on the correct location. This will update your facility's latitude and longitude. We have a more detailed video about selecting locations, so please watch that video if you're having trouble. The next thing you need to do is verify all your information on the report is correct, paying special attention to chemical information. We will provide another video for chemical inventory as well. Once you've verified all the information, please complete the signature and date fields at the bottom of the report. When you've filled out all the information correctly, the status symbol will change to a green check mark. You need to do the same thing for each facility in your report. When you select Back to Facilities at the bottom of the page, it will bring you to the list of your facilities. Once all facilities display a green check mark, you're ready to export the 2019 Tier 2 report. We'll provide another video for exporting your Tier 2 data. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.